Guys, we're very excited to get these in. We have 2 of these. These are 6-seater lithium ion golf carts. They do have stereo systems with speakers, Bluetooth system. It is a, let's see. We have a massive 51 volt, 130 amp lithium system right there. This thing is fast, smooth. Really love this cart. This is way nicer than our normal Trojan battery setup. This cart is going to be $11,000. No assembly fees, no dock fees, no bullcorn. We will deliver it anywhere in the United States for $300 to $350 a load a mile, just depending on how far you are. This does come with a windshield, and y'all come get it. LED lights, blinkers, high-low beams. It's set up, you know, with everything you need. Hey. 623 North Main, y'all come see us.